All right, so do you have dry eyes or do you have ducts that are clogged? When your eye doctor has said, it'd be a good idea for you to start using like a moist towel at night or in the morning to try to help with your eyes. If so, this compress is life-changing. And so this is the Bruder Compress for Moist Heat. And here's what's wonderful about it. It's like a little mask, right? And so this only takes 10 seconds in your microwave to get the heat that you need, and that's all you need. You're not gonna burn your eyes, right? 10 seconds. Now this part moves, right? So it's adjustable depending upon how close or how far your eyes are away from each other. Now it also comes with a couple little extras here, so I'm gonna show you those. So the first one is the hygienic eyelid cleanser wipes. So this is great. If I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna take one of these, and I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to use this to basically kind of wipe my eyes. Now I try to do this when I don't have any eye makeup on, because I don't want to get the iPad dirty, plus I'm literally looking for this to open up. So you can see I'm putting this directly in my eyes. I also will tell you at this moment I have contacts in, so it is contact safe. Sometimes I'll do this in the morning before I put my contacts in. Just depends, but I don't have any problems, right? And so while I thought my eyes were clear, you can see there's a little bit of garbage there. And this is the next thing that's really nice, and this is the eye shield. And so these are great because it keeps it clean, right? So you go and you take this, and this is like a little gauze, is pretty much what it is. A little gauze here, but it doesn't, it's airy enough, if you can see all the little holes in there. It's not gonna keep it from allowing the heat in. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on. So basically it has the Velcro on the back, right? So here's the Velcro, okay? I'm gonna do it in this case, I'm gonna put my pad right there, only because I'm gonna be doing it sitting up. I normally do this laying down. So I'm gonna put my pad there, I'm gonna put it over my eyes. I'm gonna make sure that these are squarely on my eye sockets. And then I am just going to Velcro it so that it's comfortable. So after I've put this in for 10 seconds into the microwave, I pull it out. I set it for a 2 to 3 minute timer, sometimes a 5-minute timer, depending upon how clogged I feel or how dry my eyes are. And in fact, many times it feels so good that when I'm laying down, I just keep it on for even longer than that. So that is as easy as it is to use. 10 seconds in a microwave, you pull it off, Now look, they're just as clean as when I open them. And they're kind of like, they have some material in there, like little balls, like they're kind of crunchy, right? And this, but it feels good. It has a little bit of weight to it. That moist heat will come in, and then I will notice afterwards that I start to feel that my eyes are less clogged. And then you can actually use your little wipe away to wipe your eyes afterwards. And then now I'm good to go. So again, if you have any kind of dry eyes, you have any kind of clogged tear ducts or ducts area in your eyes, this is a lifesaver. You will not be disappointed. Get yourself one of these.